Good afternoon. Please be seated. This is our 1:30 civil motion calendar, which was scheduled to occur in Superior Court number 2. And when we arrived for work this morning, we discovered that the pipe had broken and the water was pouring not only into the courtroom, but right onto the judge's bench and computer. All right. All right, Presswich versus Zentz was stricken. The Hampton matter was continued till the 18th. And that brings us to, what time have I got? I've got a 3 o'clock call coming in on another matter, so we should have just enough time for Belenski versus Jefferson County Board of County Commissioners. Are the parties ready on Belenski?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have a seat. You are Mr. Belenski, I recall from our previous hearings. Mr. Alvarez.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
All right, good afternoon. Mr. Belenski, you have the laboring oar on your motion for a temporary injunction. I'll let you go first. There's a 15-minute time limit.
If you read my brief, you'll see that there's 4 particular items that I need to be able to fulfill to be able to get the injunction. That I'm likely to succeed on the merits, that I'm likely to suffer irreparable harm in the absence of the injunction, the balance of equities tip in my favor, and an injunction is in the public interest. And I think if you read my brief, I think I presented good arguments for each of those 4. On a more personal note, I think it's important for the court to recognize that, you know, the arbitrary and capricious conduct that the public's being subjected to is creating uncertainty and is inhibiting the public from speaking their minds in these meetings. And so I think that you know, an injunction is an appropriate remedy, at least in the short term, to protect the public's rights and ensure that, you know, people are able to speak candidly and openly about government. Mr. Alvarez presented me with some, tried to present to me some documents as I was sitting in the audience here. I haven't had a chance to look at those. I told him that I wouldn't accept them because I went to my post office box yesterday between 2:30 and 3 o'clock to check and see if there was any documents in there that he was going to be providing me so I'd be able to review those. The sign in the lobby says that the mail's delivered between 10 and 10:30 every day, so I made a special trip there, like I said, between 2:30 and 3, and there was nothing in there. So I didn't go there today to see if there's anything in there. And at previous hearings, the county has complained that I'm untimely in filing my documents, and so I guess I make the same argument here that the county is untimely in filing whatever it is that they, you know, or maybe not filing with the court, but serving me with the paperwork so that I have a legitimate opportunity to rebut whatever happens to be in those particular.
Well, I'm not going to consider any last-minute submittals
Okay.
on this matter.